Hello, my name is Ashley Dodds. I live in the North Pole area, but my family lived in Fairbanks area my entire life. I went to elementary, middle school, high school, and now college in Fairbanks. My major is interdisciplinary studies with a minor in elementary education. And some little fun facts about me are that I'm really passionate about reading. I absolutely love football and basketball. I'm starting to learn more about basketball because my good friend is a coach for one of the high school teams. Another thing that I really enjoy doing is traveling. I'm actually going to be going to Hawaii in a couple of days, so I want to deal with this cold weather we're having in Fairbanks. And then next month I'm going to be going to Seattle, so kind of the nice thing about taking online classes is you have that freedom to work, homework, and traveling into your schedule. So I'm really excited and looking forward to this semester, ready for some challenges and discussions, and looking forward to getting to know everybody in this class. Thank you.